Hello everyone, welcome to Fat 50 and Running a Marathon, a channel dedicated to health, diet, fitness, and goal achievement. I'm your humble host Topher, and I hope you'll give this video a like. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share your thoughts, opinions, and relatable stories in the comments section. This is the Fat 52 and Gardening series, and I wanted to show you today what I'm up to. I have done a really bad job of showing you the progression of the sprouting seeds that we had, but this is a whole new formula. Before I was just using Happy Frog potting soil, and that's great, but I will leave a link to John Kohler's video in the description of this video where he explains, I forget what university it was, but saying that starting with worm castings, and this in specific, Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, this was available at Walmart for I think $7. This I got at my local nursery, Star Nursery, for $20, and adding equal amounts of each produces 75% greater results when trying to sprout seeds. Now what I did, because everybody likes to make their recipe their own, is I also took a shovelful of coffee grounds that I got from Starbucks. And so what I have here now is equal parts worm castings and seed starting mix, and just one shovelful of Starbucks coffee grounds. And if you go to your Starbucks or any other, I shouldn't say any other, but a lot of other coffee houses, a lot of them are willing to give you their grounds, and it's a great stimulant for growing. I'm not even going to bother to have you. I'm not even going to bother to send you a link to anything that says how much coffee grounds help. That's how helpful they are. I want you to go do your own research in that respect. I will, however, like I said, leave a video or a link to the John Kohler video explaining how seed starting mix and worm castings in equal amounts produce 75% greater yields of seeds. I've had some calendula seeds that have been giving me some real trouble, have been doing absolutely nothing. So tonight, the seeds are going to soak in water and a paper towel, and then tomorrow I'm going to sow them, and hopefully we can get something going with those, because those have given me some real grief. Okay, so there you have it. Just wanted to share that with you, share my recipe with you, and I'll leave a link to John Kohler. I am definitely a disciple of John Kohler. He lives here in Las Vegas, and so he has over 20 years of organic gardening. He's somebody I follow intently. So until next time, thank you for watching, and remember, only by taking care of ourselves first are we capable of taking care of others. Topher.